Welcome to Summerglen, an unparalleled masterpiece nestled in the heart of Buderim on Queensland's Sunshine Coast. This is not just a property, it's a symphony of elegance, luxury and tranquility, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to redefine opulent living. As you enter through the formal gates, you're greeted by a picturesque lagoon hinting at the splendour that lies beyond. Summerglen spans across 5 magnificent park-like acres, offering dual street access and absolute privacy, creating an oasis of serenity. Step inside and you're transported to a bygone era of grace and sophistication, seamlessly blended with the comforts of modern living. This award-winning residence, a Tyson Homes custom build and designed by Brad Reed Design Group, boasts 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and a myriad of living spaces, including an office, library, and home cinema. No expense has been spared in crafting this masterpiece. From bespoke chandeliers to soaring ceilings adorned with extensive glass, every corner exudes elegance and charm. The high-end kitchen, complete with integrated appliances and a scullery, is a chef's dream, while the billiard room with a granite bar offers the perfect setting for entertaining guests. Outside, Summerglen continues to enchant with its manicured gardens, full-size tennis court, and a 16-metre glass-edge pool and spa, providing the ultimate retreat for relaxation and recreation. The property also features a separate guest pavilion, gymnasium, and possibly one of the coolest garages I've ever seen in a home. Beyond the grandeur of the residence lies a sanctuary of nature, with an acre of lush rainforest and an idyllic lagoon inhabited by resident ducks, turtles, and waterhens, creating a picturesque backdrop for an outdoor gathering and entertainments. Summerglen isn't just a property, it's a lifestyle, an unparalleled fusion of timeless elegance, modern convenience, and natural beauty. Experience the epitome of luxury living at Summerglen, the jewel of Buderim's crown.